Welcome back to Titan Academy. Today we will talk about publishing your Titan Forms 2.0 project. This will be a high-level overview of what it means to publish your Titan Forms project. We will cover how to check the status of your project, whether or not it's published. We'll talk about some high-level options for what you can do with your published project. So let's get into it. In your Titan Forms project, click on the gear icon and select the Overview tab in the project settings. Here you will see, under the Publish label, your project's publication status. In this sample project, it is not published. Click on the gear next to the word Published. Here you can see your project status. It is active. The status is not published. If you click the Publish button, that will publish the project. You can also enable Available From To. This will allow you to set a from date and a to date during which the project will be available. So let's say I want to make the project available for the next month. So we'll set December 27th at 12 noon, and we will make it available until January 27th at 12 noon. You can enter custom text to override the Titan standard text, or you can enable redirect on expire to redirect the user to a specified URL. I'll leave Available From and To disabled for the moment. Go ahead and click on the Publish button. You can also get to the Publish button from up in the top right corner of your project if you're working on the project and wish to publish it without opening the gear icon. Let's click Publish. This will open up a preview of your published project, and in the builder, it opens up the Publish Project window. From here, you have several bits of important information. First is the URL for the published site. Once this URL has been created, it will not be changed no matter how many different new versions of this project are published. You have some options in the code section. We generate code for an iframe, code for embed script within an iframe, code for Salesforce, and code for within the Salesforce community. This allows you to display your Titan site in any of these varied means of displaying a site on a web page. I'll close out of this and go ahead and click Apply. And we now see in the overview that the site is published. We have time and date stamped for the last published version of the project, and that is how it's done.